Say hello to the PowerStrip Modular. What's unique to the PowerStrip Modular is that we've created extension modules that allow you to solve your day-to-day necessities without the use of thousands of different adapters. Say you need a Wi-Fi extender, well, there's a module for that. Or, if you need to charge up your phone, there's a module for that too. We're even working on a power bank module that you can just snap in, charge up, and snap back out to take with you on the go. There are many other modules that we're working on, such as the light module, a USB Type-C module, a sensor module. So basically, there's a ton of modules that we can create. And our team's goal is to make the PowerStrip future-proof.
For example, every day we struggle with power. For us, a simple sip of coffee can do the trick. But for our devices, the problems usually start with inefficient power strips. Whether it's in the office or at home, we can all relate to this annoying problem of not finding the right plug, adapter, or charging port. And this leads us to throwing away power strips or replacing them with temporary solutions. And that's where we want to make a change. PowerStrip Modular will allow you to attach whatever module you need whenever you need it.